Okay, so the first thing that we need to do before we do a med draw up is do hand hygiene. So, you will find the water temperature that suits you. You will then apply soap to your hands. You want to make sure that you do this for at least 20 seconds. You will then rinse your hands in a downward motion. And then you will tap dry. Okay, so the next thing you will then need to do is set up a sterile field before you can administer your medicine. Okay, so you have 1 inch of a border. That is what you can touch. You make sure that you never ever reach above your sterile field. Otherwise, it will not be sterile. You then can dump out your stuff. Okay, now I need a sterile glove. All right, so the sterile glove, you pick up your 1 glove. You want to be sure not to touch the outside of your glove, as that is considered sterile. Okay, so now this entire glove is sterile. You want to make sure that you don't touch anything. The next thing you would do is, whenever you put on your second glove, you're going to want to grab it and cup it. Okay, so your glove would look like this. You then can slide your hand in. Now both your hands are sterile, and if you need to adjust your gloves, you then can. Okay. Now we can begin to draw up our medicine. All right, so the order states Lasix, 30 milligrams IV every 8 hours. In this container, we have Lasix injection, and it's 20 milligrams per 2 milliliters. So with our draw up, we're going to want to do 3 milliliters to equal 30 milligrams. Alrighty, so we then have 3 milliliters. To recap it, you don't want to use your hands, as then you could then poke yourself. You will just do this. Okay, so make sure you use your medicine cup.